I've been hearing all my life that eggs are good, eggs are bad, eggs are good, eggs are bad. Don't eat cholesterol or don't eat the egg because it has cholesterol in it. Eat the egg because it has cholesterol in it. So let's just kind of break down an egg and then again turn our brains on and think for ourselves to decide whether an egg is a healthy food to eat or not. So first, an egg, let's go with the macros. An egg has 1 gram of carbohydrates. And of course, it all depends on the size of the egg. Protein, it has about 6 grams of protein. It's split about half and half, what's in the egg white and what's in the yolk. The yolk has about 2.7 grams of protein. The white has about 3.3 grams of protein. And now for the fat in an egg. There's about 5.5 total grams of fat in an egg. About 5 grams of monounsaturated fat. Monounsaturated fat is what's in olive oil. 3.5 grams. Now this is in 2 eggs. So 2 eggs has 5 grams of monounsaturated fat. 3.5 grams of saturated fat, and 2 grams of polyunsaturated fat. All healthy. I don't see anything wrong with that breakdown. It's got all 3 of the fats in it. And now let's talk about fat-soluble vitamins. There's 4 fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, and K. An egg has all of them in it. Egg has all the fat-soluble vitamins. An egg also has all the B vitamins. All the B vitamins. The only vitamin that is not obviously in there is vitamin C. It also has selenium, choline, iodine, all things that our body needs. So if you think about an egg, and you guys put comments in the comment section, tell me what is not healthy about an egg. What's in an egg that is harmful for us? Of course, you want to eat healthy eggs. You want to make sure that the egg is, the chickens are pasture raised and organically fed. So that's important because there is different quality of eggs depending on how the chickens are treated and how they eat, what they're fed. But I want to know if you guys think we should eat eggs or not. For me, again, I've been doing this all my life and I try to relate things to my experience and my choices. You don't have to agree with me, that's fine. But if I could only eat one food, it would be eggs. If I had to pick one thing, I'd need to supplement vitamin C or try to get some vitamin C in there. And of course, it's not perfectly ideal only to eat one food. But if that was the world rule, you can only choose one food, I would choose an egg because it's almost perfect. 1 gram of carbohydrates, 5.5 grams of fat, 6 grams of protein, and that protein in an egg, your body likes it. It processes the protein in an egg very well. So that's my opinion on eggs. I'd love to hear your opinion. If you guys think eggs are something that should be in your diet or not be in your diet, I like to hear both ways. I like to hear why people think you shouldn't eat eggs. I also like to hear why people think you should eat eggs. So let me know in the comment section.